So for the edit, it will be the same thing as we have done with create. So just copy from here and paste here inside the edit. So let's move to the top. So let's change it from create to edit. And here we have update, and we need to provide the holiday ID, and we need to override the method to edit, or not edit, to put. So next, what we need, we need for the test here, so for old value, so we need to check also for the holiday employee ID, and we need also to check for start date. So let's make it start date, and also for the ending date. So here it's end, and also for notes. So here we have notes, and here let's change it to updates and warning and holiday index. So save, let's refresh the page. So let's do something. So if we try to create and now if we cancel, so we are redirected to the holiday requests. Okay, let's move to the edit. So here we have our employee, starting date, ending date, and notes. So let's cancel. So we are redirected to the home page. So let's move to the edit. So now we need status, so we can change the status. So we need also status field. Okay, so to change the status from pending to approved or rejected. Okay, so I think we have already, if we move to the employees, so we can use the same thing like we have done here, which is this one, which is status. So let's copy it from here and paste it here. So for the status, so we have three choices. So we have three options. So we have option, the first one is pending, which is the default one. And here we need to change it to holiday, not employee, and same thing here. And here we have pending instead of active. And here we check if it is equal to pending, not 1. And same thing for the, so where is it? So here we have the second one. So let's change it to approved. And what else? So let's change it here also to approved. And here if it is equal to approved. Okay, and we need the final one for the rejected. So let's change it here from approved to rejected, and we want here R to be uppercase, and we are done. So let's refresh, or let's go to, so all the requests here are pending. So let's move. So as you can see, we have pending. So let's change it to approved and update holiday. So as you can see now, it's approved. So let's change. So this one, let's make it rejected. So as you can see now, it's rejected. So let's go back. So it's rejected. Let's fill the form with other user and other dates and notes, and now it's pending. So as you can see now, it's pending with new details. Let's change it again to something else and make it approved. So save or update. So as you can see, we have new user, new starting and ending days, notes, and status is approved. Okay, So now what is left? So we need to add show. So it's the same thing like we have done here inside employees. So we need to add the link, and also we need the another. So I think we have already copied the same thing, which is this one, this show .blade.php file. So we'll change the contents of the file, but first we need to add the link that will take us to this file.